Arizona law allows residents to sell firearms privately to other residents without involving a licensed dealer in most cases. You can transfer a gun to a friend, family member, or neighbor without going through a background check under state law. This reflects Arizona's approach to Second Amendment rights, but it does not mean all private sales are legal. Both state and federal laws prohibit selling or transferring firearms to certain people, and breaking these rules can lead to serious criminal charges. You need to understand when background checks are required, which transfers are allowed, and what legal risks you might face. Arizona permits residents to sell firearms directly to other residents without using a licensed dealer. You can sell a handgun to a friend, give a rifle to a relative, or transfer a shotgun to someone you know. These transactions occur daily across the state. Common private transfers include sales between friends or acquaintances, gifts to family members, transfers to neighbors or coworkers. You do not need to involve a gun shop or government office for these sales. Arizona recognizes the right of residents to buy and sell firearms among themselves. However, Arizona gun laws still regulate who can own guns. You cannot legally sell or give a firearm to someone who is banned from possessing one. Federal regulations also apply to every sale, whether private or through a dealer. Key restrictions you must follow. Buyers must be legally allowed to own guns. You cannot transfer firearms to prohibited persons. Both state and federal laws remain in effect. Arizona's permitless carry status makes gun ownership accessible, but it does not eliminate all rules. The state draws a clear line between lawful gun owners and those prohibited from possession. Your responsibility as a seller is to avoid transferring firearms to anyone who cannot legally own them. This requirement exists even though private sales do not require background checks. Understanding when a sale is lawful protects you from criminal liability. Phoenix criminal lawyers, criminal defense attorneys help Arizona residents understand firearm ownership rules, prohibited possessor status, and private gun transfer laws. Seeking legal counsel before completing a transaction can help you avoid legal trouble. Getting help after law enforcement starts asking questions can safeguard your legal protections. Call the Phoenix Criminal Lawyer Criminal Defense Team at 602-600-0447 to arrange a private consultation if you have questions about a planned transaction or are facing an investigation. Getting legal advice at the right time can help you avoid unintentional violations, minimize legal risks, and preserve your rights under Arizona and federal law.